Next time I ask you to eat in the where? Dining table, baby. No, I placed the watermelon there. There pa. You can use your hands.
How?
Pick it up and then place it here.
Why? It's gonna take forever. Can I put water?
No.
You know what you want? Have the big certainly. That is ready in a jiffy. Hey! Oh, excuse me.
Bonjour.
Huh?
Bonjour.
I think he wants to be a pet. No, Dad, we don't need you as chef. You can go back outside and play the game with the little men. Okay, bye. You can work here.
Super.
I need you to get one piece of pavlova.
Pavlova.
Yeah, pavlova. From the fridge.
Pavlova.
No, that's a knife. In the fridge. See?
Pavlova.
Yes. Look. Impossible.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Sorry about this.
You wipe the floor pa. It's wet. Yes, those parts. Daddy will see. Okay. Alright. You can throw that now. Trash can, please. Yeah, we have to wash that one too. Before you wash your hands. Okay, good job. But next time, don't bring your food na there anymore, okay? Did you hear what mommy said, baby?
The seed.
Okay. That's why I said we won't put water here. You understand why now?
Yes.
Okay. We don't want this cloud, right? Okay. We're going to wash this.
Which one?
I'll tell you what we're going to do next. We'll wash this one. Yes, and then soap.
Maybe you should just open it.
Okay. Can you use your hand and swirl it around?
Why?
Because you'll be washing your hands anyway, right?
I don't know.
You don't want to? Alright. As long as you clean that one. Enough, please. Can you pour it now on the sink?
Look, there's so many bubbles.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Wow, there's a giant bubble right in the top of it.
Alright. Baby, I don't want to clean again, okay? We're in a hurry now. What's that?